In this video, we'll show you how to hide the temporary storage in an Azure virtual machine. When you try to hide the drive using the disk management tool, you'll encounter an error and the drive cannot be hidden directly. To hide the drive, follow these steps. First, search for environment variables using the Windows search bar. From the best match results, select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, look for the Performance section and click the Settings button. In the new window that opens, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Virtual Memory section, click the Change button. Next, locate the temporary storage drive from the list of available drives. Select the drive, then choose the No Paging File option and click the Set button. As you can see, the paging file size has been changed from System Managed to None. Click OK to save the changes and restart the virtual machine to apply them. Once the VM restarts, you can now hide the temporary storage by removing its drive letter using the disk management tool. As you can see, the temporary storage is gone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.